Look at our bunny, so proud and so tall. From splashing to wiping, they've mastered it all. They flush and wash each time on their own. They're doing a great job, as long as they're home. But what if all bathrooms in town don't quite match the flushes, the dryers, or even the taps? Bunny dreams up the places they usually go and thinks of the bathrooms they don't yet know. There's so many new friends at nursery to see, but Bunny is worried they might need a wee. A handle flush is on this loo to help you say goodbye to poo. To make the water whirl around, Bunny needs to push it down. It's time for you to take a bow. You're flushing like an expert now. Twisty taps are super fun. Twist it left to make it run. Not hot and not cold, but water just right to clean Bunny's paws with all of their might. Bunny twists it right to make it stop so they don't waste a single drop. Super duper! Nicely done! Bunny made the water run. Paper towels are nice and neat. Bunny needs to pull out just one sheet. Bunny needs to rub and rub, and then they'll join the Dry Hands Club. Now toss that towel straight in the bin. Bunny's done it! Look at them win! Check you out! You're on a roll. You dried your hands and scored a goal.